government is striving to interest financial institutions in funding the forestry sector, particularly bamboo growing. Executive Director, National Forestry Authority, Tom Okello, says promoting the growing of bamboo will reduce pressure on the existing forests as demand for wood products continues to grow.
Currently, government is promoting the growing of bamboo because of its enormous industrial and domestic value to make over 10,000 products.
We need 15 million seedlings per year, but we're only raising 1.5 million. So that's a very big challenge. I was discussing yesterday with Dr. Selim and saying this is one area where we really need to think about how do we provide the planting material for the country.
Therefore, bamboo is being looked at as an alternative source of wood to reduce pressure on the existing forests. Since commercial tree planting is an expensive venture, government is trying to interest financial institutions to extend financial support to bamboo farmers.
Corporate social responsibility, so that we go to my area where people are itching to plant bamboo, and we use a combined effort of the bank and the agroforester. We go in there and we not only teach the people, but we also help them to get the seedlings that they need, and then also the spacing that they need to continue their activity of planting their food crops, at the same time planting bamboo.
We create sensitization as people get aware about the value of bamboo and the importance of bamboo and what comes out of bamboo. I'm very certain that the demand is going to increase.
And the biggest fear for most of us as lenders is we don't want to put money to startups, because statistics actually show that most of our startups do not live to its lifetime.
The government is working closely with Dutch Sino East Africa Bamboo Development Program to acquire capacity development and technology transfer in the bamboo industry.
Kenya and Uganda is coming ahead with the government new strategy and policies. They are planting more and more bamboo in integrated land, and INBAR is supporting for the technology transfer, capacity building, exposure visit, and also to invest, to encourage the investors in the sector. And hopefully in future a lot of people will come, new investor will come, and new industry will come.
In order to promote the growing of bamboo, government developed the National Bamboo Strategy and Action Plan 2019.